Okay, so today we are gonna be opening this. Yeah, we're gonna open a freaking vending machine. As you don't know, I bought two of them. Yeah, I bought two of them. This one is the results. So first, I'm just gonna put a coin, as all you guys know. Put a coin in here, and then I press the drink I want. It comes out. Voila. Okay, so I'm gonna put this aside, and we're gonna open this now. I bought two because I wanted to check out if it works. Okay, now let's begin. And no, I don't need scissors. I'm not a baby. Here is the machine. Let's put this machine aside. Let's put this thing. Oh my god. It keeps falling. Why does my ring light just... Yeah, it ignores my orders. My ring light is like, no. Okay, anyways, let's open this. Girl, stop falling. And also, I need the name of this because I completely don't know what's the name. Oh my gosh, I'm so stupid. Anyways, let's open this. Oh my gosh, is this stuck? Never mind. So we're gonna open this and we're gonna put the drinks as order. Because why not should we put them as order? Anyways, so this is... Girl, I told you to stand. You have one job. Thank you. Open your mouth. You need to eat food. Okay, so this is the orange one. As you can see, I cannot read Chinese because I'm not Chinese. Look at it. Anyways, so now we're gonna put it in the orange right there. And next is a grape. We're gonna put in the grape. Grape. Like, yeah, we're gonna put it as order. Next is that. Girl! You also have one job to come out properly. Apple. I didn't show the grape because, yeah. I don't know why. Now it's milk. Milk. And we have one last apple. Now we close this. Girl, how many times am I gonna tell you? Just stand properly. Like your brother. Look what is he doing. And you are just falling. I'm gonna close you tight. Seriously, bro? I'm gonna rage quit in this point. Anyways, here are the coins. Girl. Yeah, they're two each, so they're basically 6. So, and also, this is the one thing that I don't know why. If you don't put the coin in here, like if you don't put the coin, still. Like, girl, you're not supposed to do that. You have one job to go. You need to go in here, then choose your favorite coin like that. Not like this. Like, girl. Anyways, hope you like this video, and this is the tutorial on, like, if you guys want me to get more of these, I mean, like, don't buy, like, you can tell me which flavor you want. Then I'm gonna just put a coin in it with a doll, or no doll, or yes doll. I'm gonna put a coin, like 2 coins maximum. You're just gonna tell me how many coins I need to put in here. They're maximum 6 coins. 6 coins, okay? Maximum. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna throw you out of the room. Okay, so maximum are 6 coins. These are basically not 6, but it's also his coins. Yeah. So I can put 12 coins if you want, but for now, I'm just gonna put 6.